Today we're going to be talking about a current trend in education. This trend is robotics in education. Some history involving the robotics education begins with STEM education. It was originally called SMET education, which stands for Science, Mathematics, Engineering, and Technology. Due to pronunciation purposes, it became STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. It was done by the National Science Foundation. How does STEM work? It works through a constructivism method. It's done through collaboration and cooperation. We have three approaches, which are curriculum approach, project-based approach, and goal-oriented approach. Robotics and STEM. They're hands-on and present real-world applications. The skills developed can be divided into four major categories. They're cognitive, conceptual, language, and social skills. There can be competitions between students and the robotics too. The setting of robotics includes a motivational environment, a large area, planning step-by-step, and collaboration. Students are given a project to build together. They are divided into teams, and the teams work on the group by giving roles to each other and completing their tasks. There are four approaches used. They differ according to the goal. There's a technocentric approach, creation and exploration of microworlds based on learner's project approach, cognitive spectator's approach, and a programming approach. Some examples. The electrical alarm system design-based unit targets electricity concepts. The creators intentionally removed the 9-volt batteries from the standard curriculum kits to force students to engage with the issue of how to combine the 1.5 voltage batteries such that enough power enters the system. Here we have a robotic that's used in the classroom. It's KinStar, which is Kindergarten Social Assistive Robotic. It is done through storytelling. Here we are going to see a sample. Another example is CASPR. It stands for Kinesthetics and Synchronization in Personal Assistant Robotics. It has features that contribute with the students, such as body awareness, encouraging collaborative skills, prolonging children's attention span, encouraging social interaction, and learning appropriate physical interaction. This tool can also be used with special needs students. Some issues related to educational robotics. The teacher must know how to use the tool properly. Students should have the chance to experiment with the kits provided before they are given a task to build and design. The teacher should be aware of the individual's needs to know which is the best tool that can be used for them. A social robotic may not help students because it does not have feelings and may not help them feel better. The environment should be well equipped with the software used. And ending at that, we need to know that there is a time factor here, time for the students to know how to use the tools, time for the students to continue what they do in a collaborative and in a cooperating manner.